everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a grocery haul. I am sharing what I purchased at H-E-B and Sam's Club. We are first starting off with the H-E-B order. Okay, so this is my order from H-E-B. So I did not have time to go to Sam's today, so we will do that tomorrow. So this is just my H-E-B order. So first off, I got some beef fajita skirt steaks. And then I got a couple of these packages of bacon. This is the thick cut. And then I got some rotini pasta for some chicken Alfredo, Pillsbury crescent rolls for some pigs in a blanket. That's what I'm going to use these for, the little smokies. And then I got some pancakes, some turkey sausage, a couple gallons of milk. The bread here, the garlic bread, is for when I make chicken Alfredo, some creamer, and back here is some cilantro that I'm going to use when I make meat and potatoes. And then the whipping cream is for the chicken Alfredo, some lettuce for sandwiches. I like to get the 100, well, it wasn't 100, this is 96% lean. Ground beef. One will be for spaghetti, and then I got two of them. The other one will be for my meat and potato. And then I got some deli meat, some ham, turkey. Ham we use a lot for breakfast, for eggs. The girls like it with their macaroni, and then, you know, for sandwiches too. So, oh, here's another one of these. And then I got some shredded cheese, a couple of these packages of cookies, some juices. There's two different kinds, piña colada and mighty mango. And then the potatoes, we're gonna make meat and potatoes. Some more of these little smokies. I got some of these pepperoni slices, some tomatoes. The bell pepper are for the skirt steak for when I make fajitas. And then a couple of the flour tortillas and some eggs. Alright, so I'm going to start putting all this food away, and then after this I'll be sharing my Sam's Club order. So this day was a Friday, and I did an H-E-B curbside order, and I did not have enough time to go to Sam's. Usually I go into Sam's Club and get all my groceries, and then I go pick up my H-E-B curbside order, but I was just running out of time. I was running late. So the next day, which would be Saturday, is when I made my run to Sam's Club. And so the acrylic board that you saw me writing on in the beginning of this video, that's what I was looking at just a while ago, just to see what tonight's dinner was going to be, which was fajitas. So I didn't want to put that in the freezer. I went ahead and put it in the fridge. But that is my that's my dinner schedule for the next 2 weeks. So I just wrote down what I plan on making. That helps me out a lot with knowing which groceries to get, what I need to get, and also it's just easier when you have it all planned out to make a dinner that night, because when I don't do that, I find that I'm just kind of like lost in what to make, and then, you know, I decide on something and then I find out that I don't have the ingredients to make that. So it's just easier to do it this way for me. Okay, so now on to the next day. So this is everything that I got at Sam's Club. So I'm just going to go through everything and share what I got. Okay, everyone, so this is my Sam's Club grocery haul. So we're going to start right here with goldfish. We got some goldfish for the girls, some Ritz crackers, a bag of candy. We got some protein chewy bars, liquid IV. Aubrey uses this a lot for when she's running. These taquitos beef, Welch's fruit snacks, yogurt. I saw these at, I think they were like $30 or something like that. It was not bad at all. So I'm going to put these on my front porch and I'll share that with you on another video. I also got some cereal, these Reese's Puffs, some cheese, bananas, orange juice, apples, this candy bowl, which I thought was so cute. It was the last one they had there. It was their display one. And then some bread, limes, grapes, corn tortillas, some, these pretzels are for Ileana's class. It's her day on Monday to take snacks. So this is what we're gonna take. And we got strawberries. Okay, so we got chicken thighs, sorry, that was the door. Chicken tenderloins, chicken breasts. So the tenderloins, I usually put them in the air fryer. The chicken thighs, I wanted to put in the crock pot. I was gonna do like some ranch seasoning with them. Chicken breasts, I make all kinds of things. Chicken Alfredo, just like cut up chicken pieces with some shredded cheese. And then we got some Gatorade, the zero sugar, some sweet tea. I got a rotisserie chicken for us to eat here in a minute. I'm gonna cut it up for us. And then some tissue, bath tissue. And then over here we have Cokes. And that's it. Okay, so now let's work on getting all of this put away. Okay, so everything has been restocked in the pantry. So up at the very top there, you can see that's where I put all of like my overflow, everything that I have extra of, and then I can just bring it down to refill as I need to. But the next thing I'm going to do is start washing the strawberries and the grapes. So I'm just using a little bit of distilled vinegar and water to wash them, and I'm going to let them sit in the water for a few minutes. While they're sitting in that, I'm going to go ahead and wash the candy bowl that I got and get that filled with a little bit of candy. Okay, so those have been sitting in the water for a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and dump them out and give them a good rinse. So you'll see when I do the strawberries, the dirt's sitting at the bottom of the bowl, so it's always important to wash your fruit. So that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. So on my next video, I did get a few things that I'm waiting to come in to decorate my porch. It's not a lot of things, like I'm not going to do like this big old video about it. I'll probably throw it in there with some cleaning motivation, but it's just a few little things that I got, so I'll be sharing that with y'all.